Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to increase followers on the Threads app. So let's get into it. First of all, let's find the app on your mobile screen and tap on the Threads app icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the bottom navigational menu, open the profile page. Once the page opens up, from the top right side, tap on these two lines. From this sidebar menu, open Privacy, and then open Profiles you follow. Here is the list of users that you are following. Tap on See All of your Instagram following list. To increase your Instagram followers, what you need to do is simply follow other users, and they will follow you back. In this way, you can easily increase your followers on Threads. You can also increase followers by uploading creative and trending content on your Threads account. These are the simplest ways that can help you increase your followers on Threads. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.